She's a diamond. She's a diamond girl. She's a diamond. Diamond, diamond, diamond.
Hi YouTube, it's Princess Diamond. Welcome and welcome back to my channel and Happy New Year. Thank you guys so much for continuing to rock with me. It's so crazy. I was looking back last year around this time. I had just passed 2,000 subscribers and currently we just passed 30,000 subscribers. I think that is huge and I appreciate each and every one of you guys that have been supporting, showing love, following, liking, anything that you've done for this channel. I greatly appreciate it. I hope you guys this new year is filled with blessings. So for this video, I'm going to do a hair blend. This is not a video a blending request. This is just some colors I wanted to try. So I'll be blending the colors 350, that color copper you've seen previously, this neon orange. I'll be blending another neon orange as a different shade. And the reason there's two different shades is because it's two different braiding hair brands. So, and then I will be adding in the color 613. Now, I'm going to blend those first four colors together first. So it's pretty much, I'm just gonna call it 4 shades of orange. I'm gonna do the 4 shades of orange first. You guys will see what that mix will look like at not at the end of the video, but once I'm done blending it, you'll see what that mix will look like. And then after I do that, I will then go and add in this color 613. So you guys are basically going to get 2 blends in one video. Now, as you guys will see here, this color 613 is a lot longer than the other colors. And so what's that going to do is it's going to give it a ombre effect. So it's going to be really pretty. You guys make sure to watch because you're going to like this blend. I promise you guys. And one thing I do want to say though, with the color 613, because it was a lot longer than the other braiding hair colors, or because it was just long in general, it made the blending a lot more difficult, because when I was doing the 4 shades of orange here, it was simple. I didn't have no issues with blending, but then when I added in that 613, you'll see that the hair was starting to get tangled. And so that's one thing you want to keep in mind. And just note as a tip, if you are struggling with mixing colors, doing hair blends, is that you don't want that, well, not saying you don't want, but keep in mind that if your braiding hair is longer than usual, or if you just blending really long braiding hair, then it can make it a little more difficult to blend. Also, if you are just blending a lot of hair in your hand, that can also make it more difficult. So let's just say if you're blending 3 different colors, and what I would recommend doing is to take each bundle of hair, so each color, split it into 2 and blend it 2 different times instead of trying to blend everything at once, because it's just going to make it a little more hard. The hair will just get more tangled. That's typically what I do. I don't blend a whole lot of hair together at once. So that's just a tip on those that are struggling with blending. It's going to help to, you know, the hair is not going to get as tangled, therefore you're not going to get as much hair shedding or on the brush or on the floor. If you guys had seen from the thumbnail, I did do some butterfly locks and they were from this blend. Not this particular blend, the second blend that I'm going to do in this video. So I did use this custom blend to create butterfly locks for you guys, just to show you guys what it would look like and just to show you guys that you can create different things. And then I also, as I normally do, showed you guys what it looks like as a braid. I showed you guys what it looks like as a knotless braid and what it looks like as a twist. So you'll get those variety of different styles to see the blend. Now, I did forget to show you guys what it looks like with this blend that I'm doing right now, so I apologize for it. But I did do a lot of blends, a lot of orange blends, I feel like. So maybe you guys can check out my previous orange custom hair blends for that. But for the blend where I added the 613, you will see all of those different styles of the braiding that you can use with these hair blends. So I was really excited, you guys, to add the butterfly locks to this. So I hope you guys like it. I really hope you guys like the blend. I personally loved it. The 613, y'all know, like the 613 has that that almost like, it's not quite a white, it has almost like a yellow hue, but when it's added to this, it just looks white and it looks so pretty. Like, and I love the fact that it was an ombre. And so yeah, you guys make sure to let me know what you think. So here's this first blend. This blend is really nice. And then here we go, adding in that 613. I didn't want to add too much, so I did split off a little bit more. So yeah, so you guys will see what that looks like. And then I just wanted to do like, you know, a little check-in and see how everyone's doing with the new year. I know everyone hates the saying, you know, new year, new me, but I mean, I don't like it either, but I do think it's really good to have a New Year resolution, or maybe not a New Year resolution, but to have goals, you know, set for yourself. I think that's good to have regularly, not just beginning of the year or, you know, end of the year or whatever, but just to have regular goals set for yourself. And this can be, you know, taking on new habits or stopping old habits, you know, or making changes to improve, to grow, to better yourself. It could be to as simple as just wanting to meet new people, you know, for connection, for business, or just for social, or just to, you know, meet new friends and socialize with people. It can also be just as simple as cutting off old people to protect your peace. And I'm really big on that, like protecting your peace and your sanity. Even with, I think that's huge with relationships, with friendships, with social media, with family. Like even on my channel, if I see something that I feel like somebody is just trying to be messy, somebody's trying to be rude, somebody's trying to be disrespectful, I'm gonna block them because it's just not needed. I don't need it in my life. That's not something I wanna see. If I feel like a person comes to my channel intentionally trying to be rude, oh, let's pause right here. Let's pause right here. Look at this. Look at this color. I wish I would have stopped blending right here because I love the way that looked. But I did continue blending because I wanted to get that 613 distributed all the way through the blend. But anyways, like I was saying, like, I feel like if somebody's purposely trying to mess up your mood and put you down, you don't have to keep them, with social media or not. You know, like, you're gonna get blocked. What are you here for? I'm not going to allow you to continue to post things that's going to put me down. So if I feel like you come to my channel and you're trying to be negative in any way, I'm going to block you so that way you don't show up in the future. Not with just social media, but like I said, with family, you know, you can love people from a distance. I could pray for you. I can love you from a distance. We just don't have to talk every day because you're not going to disrupt my peace and my sanity and my life. So that's just my take on that. I want to hear you guys' resolution or goals or new habits for this year or just for your life in general. So make sure to leave a comment in the comment section below. I hope you guys enjoyed this blend. Here's all the braids, twist, and then that butterfly lock you guys will see here shortly. I don't really like to toot my own horn, but baby, toot. Like, I like this blend. I actually like this blend. Usually when I do a blend on my own, I be kind of feeling iffy, but that's just because I critique myself a lot. But I really do like this blend. But you guys let me know. This is for y'all, so y'all let me know what y'all think. And I'll catch you guys in my next video. I hope you guys be blessed, stay protected, stay filled with love and peace. Bye, guys.